So in high school, I failed Spanish. Not once, but twice. In fact, my language in high school is actually Chinese. I learned Mandarin Chinese in high school. But this video is all about you learning or figuring out how you can make money with Google Translate. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing to start generating some passive income with Google Translate. So make sure you watch this entire video because I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to show you how I find keywords. I'm going to show you how I create content in the Spanish language without knowing anything about Spanish. And I'm going to show you all of the different ways that I monetize it. So again, make sure you watch this entire video to learn how to get started step by step. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing to start generating some passive income. I'm going to show you my traffic sources because there are 3 of them. Right now, there might be more soon. I'm going to show you the affiliate programs that I'm partnering with, what my plan is going forward, so that you could possibly do something similar. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I want to do is I want to show you the keywords. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump into Ahrefs, and simply what I've done, as you can see on the screen here, is I've typed in how to say, okay? And I've talked about this a few times before. This is a really good opportunity. How to say, and then I've changed the word to include Spanish, and you can see there are 965,000 searches per month. There are 90,000 keywords that are a great opportunity for you to potentially start making money. What we can do is we can even change the keyword difficulty to, let's do 3. So this is going to be all the keywords that have a keyword difficulty of 3 or less. So you can see on here, there are all sorts of searches. This has 509,000 searches per month, 6,000 keywords. So you could literally do 5 of these videos every single day and probably not run out for many years. And so this is what I'm doing. I have downloaded an Excel spreadsheet. I think there's 1,000 words on it. I clicked export over here on Ahrefs to download it, and I'm actually working my way through it. Now remember, I don't know anything about Spanish. I could not tell you. The only word I probably could tell you is shut up in Spanish because I could hear the other teachers saying it to the other class next door while I was in Chinese. But let's go ahead and let's take a look at some of the magic here. What I want to do is I want to show you my main traffic source. Right now, you're looking at this channel. It's called Spanish Made Easy. It's ironic because I don't know anything about Spanish. And let me show you this video. Hopefully you can hear it. I'm going to unmute my computer here, so maybe you'll be able to see this. This is a 45-second video, not very long, but this is a cool opportunity. So I'm just going to unmute this. Hopefully we'll get this up and running really quick, and we won't have to wait for an ad.
Welcome back to Spanish Made Easy, where we help you understand the Spanish language. In this video, I'll tell you how to say ice cream in Spanish. Be sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Also, comment below if you'd like us to translate other words. Finally, if you'd like to become fluent in Spanish, click the first link in the description to learn more. Without further ado, here's how you say ice cream in Spanish.
Helado, 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 helado.
Hopefully that's quick.
All right, so that's all we really need to know from this video. Now, that guy he speaks Spanish. He's a fluent Spanish speaker. And so what I did was I got my list of keywords here, and I've templated a lot of the video. I would say the first half until he actually speaks is all templated. I just go in every morning and I make 3 videos every morning, and I just change the word. So today it's ice cream, as you can see on the screen. I'm bored and I'm sorry. But what I did, and here's the method here. I went over to Fiverr and I typed in Spanish voiceover. Spanish voiceover, just like this. Now again, what you could do, and I actually reached out to some Spanish speaking friends first to say, hey, look, do you guys want to partner with me? Now look at this. This top result here, I will record a professional neutral Spanish voiceover. He'll do it for $5. If you have $5 to spend, this could be an incredible investment. Now, look at this, $5 for 100 words. You just give him that list of words. So you strip out if we can go back over to Ahrefs here, if you strip out everything else and just have him say mom and good night and I miss you and sister and good afternoon, he says those words and you can put it together into a YouTube video. Now that's traffic source number one. And let me just show you, if we go back over here, if we click here, I've done a few things. If we take a look at the description of this video, I have become fluent in Spanish here, and then I have a website, finallylearnit.com. Now this will actually be the primary website that will be redirected to other affiliate programs. Right now it is set up as a WordPress site. So if we paste it in and if you go to it, you're going to see this is just a blank site. In the near future, once I get approved for an actual course, and I'll show you the course that I'm looking at right now, this will be an automatic redirect to that course. And when people click on it, I can make money. And I'm going to show you how much money I could potentially make in just a minute. But this is just one way. The other affiliate programs that I have on here is to one of these conversion things here. This sells for $149. Let's assume I get 3% commission on $149. I'm just going to slide my my calculator over here, $149.95, multiply that by 3%. I would be looking at $4.50 per sale every time someone clicks on it. And then I have a third affiliate link here. As you can see, this is for a Spanish to English dictionary. I think this went for $10, as you can see here. Once again, 3%. Now, the cool thing with Amazon, and one of the reasons why a lot of people love Amazon, is you can stack commissions. And basically what that means is if someone clicks on your affiliate link and they buy anything within the 24-hour period, you have the potential to earn commissions from it. So while 3% isn't going to be that much, and my computer is running really slow right now, it's still a really good opportunity to potentially make more money. All right, so 3% commission on $10, as you can see, is 30 cents, which isn't great. But again, we have an opportunity to stack commission. Someone clicks on the affiliate links that I have in the description of my video and buy anything, I have the potential to earn money. But as you can see, this is the primary traffic source. Let me show you what else I'm doing with these simple videos. We're going to click on Pinterest here. And as you can see, I talk about all the time video pins. And as you can see here, I've created a simple video pin on how to learn Spanish. And what this video pin will do is actually will redirect them to my YouTube channel, and it's going to force them to either subscribe or to decide not to. If I click on this link here, as you can see, it's going to have that confirmation sub 1 where it's going to ask them, do you want to subscribe to the channel? As you can see here, and people can choose to subscribe. It's going to give me an opportunity to grow my subscriber list even faster. And then the final way that I'm actually making money, or potentially making money, is with TikTok. Now, as you can see here, brand new channel, and I'm just taking the content and repurposing it in different places. I'm just uploading one video per day right now with this method. I might decide to add more later on, but as you can see here, this is a pretty cool opportunity to repurpose the same content. Eventually, I'll put a link here that will link people back to my YouTube channel, and that'll actually help grow. Now, let's talk about the affiliate program that's going to potentially make me the most money. I am going to partner with CJ.com. CJ.com is an affiliate network or an affiliate marketplace, and within CJ.com, they have thousands of affiliate programs. One of the affiliate programs that I pinpointed is Rocket Languages affiliate program. Now with this one, they pay 40% commission minimum. So they'll pay at least a 40% commission. And depending on how much you bring in per month, you can actually increase the amount of money. Now the average cart value is $146 for this affiliate program. So if we did 146 and we multiplied that by 40%, you can see that's $58.40 per commission. So once this grows and gets a tons of views and subscribers, I apply to this affiliate program, get approved, I can make $58 or more per day at least per sale. So you can see that this starts to add up. And once again, I want to keep reminding you, I know absolutely nothing about Spanish, but that's not going to stop me. Now you could do the same thing with Italian or French or whatever language you want. You could even use Spanish if you wanted to. Now the final thing that I did want to show you, you should know that all of these videos are done with Doodly. Now, again, a lot of this is templated, and Doodly, I think I spent $97. I'm not sure. I paid one time, and I'm making these videos. These videos, it takes me probably 15, 20 minutes in the beginning of my day to get these created and uploaded over to YouTube. Really simple, really easy, and I just do it Monday through Friday. Now, again, let me show you over on Ahrefs. You don't have to use Spanish. We could do French. If we spell it correctly, we've got French here, and the keyword difficulty is 3. There's 99,000 searches, 1,871 keywords. So you could do French, and once again, you just follow the same process. Find Fiverr, wherever it may be, and we could do, instead of Spanish voiceover, we could do French, or we could do Italian, or we could do German, or we could do Russian. Whatever it is that you want to do, you can do it. Don't let your lack of Spanish language or, of that language prevent you from being successful. Now, this video is all about how I'm using Google Translate. Now, again, I don't necessarily know the words. And so what I'll do is I'll just jump over to Google Translate. Like, I'll just type in English to Spanish, just like this, and enter. And on this most recent video here, how to say ice cream in Spanish, I'll just type in ice cream, just like this. Just like that. And then I'll just copy this and I'll put it right over into my Doodly video. That is how I'm using Google Translate to make money. And it's really easy, really replicable. You could repeat this type of process. If you don't want to use Spanish, you could use, as I mentioned, French, German, Russian, Italian. You could even just delete this and find which ones pop up the most and do it. And you could do this in general. You could do this for as little as $5 or $10. Just find someone over on Fiverr, pay them for 100 words, and then go from there. Now that you know how to use Google Translate to make money online, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbold.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.